Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can open this arrow icon, which will open more settings here. And as you can see, the timer icon will be in the second row, or actually right in the middle of the screen. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got, of course, the option off, which is currently applied. It is, as you can see, highlighted in this orangish color, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option. As you can see, the timer icon will be changed slightly. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, and basically it will work the same with all other timer options. So it will count down from 3 or from 5. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on off. Here we've got again the same icon, and after tapping on the shutter button, your device will immediately take a photo. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.